Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to the TMP, the top-notch programmer. As you can see, it's a new logo here, a new name and some other new stuff. I just updated my channel, but this doesn't matter. All we need here is just the content and the videos and something that is useful for us. But I still think is better now. So today we are going to build a learning management system. I know you guys are waiting for any botting tutorial or any hacking tutorial, but I'm not going to do more botting stuff and hacking stuff. But I'm going to do more videos about programming, coding, some platforms, and something that is useful for people. Today we are going to build, as I said before, a learning management system or an LMS. If you don't know what is that, it is a platform that is used to learn online and to make online learning more easier. Today we are going to set up a platform called Moodle. Moodle is a platform built on PHP. It's very powerful. I know it's a bit aged, but has a lot of features and is the best platform for me for learning online. I think it's even better than Google Classroom or Zooming calls or WhatsApp messages that was used a lot by the students the last year. But as you know, the pandemic and situation and the COVID-19 cases are growing every day, and this is going to make that students are going to learn online, and they need a really good platform such as Moodle. Today we're going to learn how to set up this. The best ways to set up it are online servers like AWS, Google Cloud Platform, or Azure. I really recommend Azure, but it's a little expensive. With Azure, you can just search the Moodle extension and install it very easy. But if you want a more cheaper price, you can jump into the AWS. As you know, AWS is the most cheapest, is the cheapest of three of them, and but it's a little more difficult to set it up. So today we are going to learn how to set up it locally, not in a server online, but locally in our machine. Currently, I am in a Linux operating system. It's an Ubuntu 20.0, but this method is going to work for all the operating systems. There are going to be the same steps. So we are going to install an environment called Xampp. Xampp installs PHP, installs MySQL, MariaDB, and all the features and add-ons we need for Moodle platform. So to install Xampp is very easy. You just need to go to xampp.com, your Apache friends. So Xampp is going to bring us the Apache environment that is very fast and very good for PHP, because the platform Moodle is built on PHP. So to download and install Xampp, you just need to go to this link here. I'm going to provide this link in the description so you can easily find it. And here on the download section, you have Windows, Linux, and Apple. Just click on Windows or Linux based on your operating system. I am in Linux right now, so I'm clicking here, and as you can see, it shows a message that is a dangerous file, but keep it. You just need to keep it because this doesn't have any virus or anything like that. So just keep, and it is going to download. But I'm canceling it for now because I have already installed it on my computer. But I'm going to show you how to install it again. If I go to files, here on downloads, I have the exam.run. I just renamed it. You can rename by clicking on that, and you can put whatever name you want. But I'll just put exam here. And to install this file here in the Linux operating system, it's a little tricky, but in Windows you just need to double click on executable file and it's going to install. But in Linux operating system, especially on Ubuntu, you need to do some other steps, like first thing is you are going to click on the file, right click, sorry, and click on properties. And in properties, what's happening here? Okay. On properties, click on permissions here in the permissions tab, and check this execute. You need to check it like this. You need to this checkbox need to be checked. So after checking it, this close this out and open terminal. To open terminal, just right click, open in terminal here, and now we are going to run the file. So to run it, you need to give the sudo permission, administrator permission. So sudo /examp.run. Click enter and give your password. And in a second, the setup is going to run, as you can see here. So this example comes with Bitnami. Bitnami is a package that installs is a installer that installs lots of different packages and platforms. You just need to click next, 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 and next again. But I'm not going to click it right now because I have already installed it. So just cancel it for now, and we can close it out. After installing the example, you just a folder in the opt folder here, opt is going to create a folder called lamp. So this is all we need here. Especially we have all the requirements we need. We have MySQL, we have phpMyAdmin, Apache, and docs and everything here. But something important here is htdocs. So htdocs is going to contain all our platform. Is going to contain all the files of the platform, and everything will be located here. So now let's jump right into the installing and setting up Moodle. So to install Moodle, you just need to go to the browser. I can close this out in the browser, yeah, and this link, download.moodle.org, you're gonna find it on description. And to download the Moodle, just click here in the Moodle 3.9.2 is the current version. And now we can choose, as you can see, it shows me the for Linux version, but if you are on Mac or Windows, you can click on these other links. But here I'm Linux and shows me the download for Linux. So I'm going to download the first one here, TGZ, sorry. And now it's going to write and download here below. After downloading, I'm going to extract it and move into the htdoc folder here that I showed you before. But it's still downloading. Now it's downloaded. I can go to downloads, and here I have the compressed file. To extract it, you just need to right click and extract here. Now it's extracting the files. Okay, now the file is extracted, and here we have the folder. If I click on it, here we have the Moodle Platform. Here are all the files, but we need to move this folder in the htdocs that I showed you before. So let's cut it and go to other locations, computer, opt, lamp, htdocs, and here. So I need to paste the file here, and it is pasted. But if you don't have permission that and show you that you don't have permission to access this, you just need to open terminal and give the permission here with chmod 777, but you need to type sudo before that, so with this command here. But I gave this permission before, and now I can paste it. So here I have all the files. Now to set up the Moodle, you just need to start the exam server, and to start it you just need to run a command that I saved here. This is a command, I copy it, and just open the terminal. Let's make this a little larger, and paste the command, give your password, and as you can see it's starting examp, starting Apache, starting MySQL, and Pro FTPD. So I need to minimize this, and now all I need to do is just to go to the browser. So now we are not going to code anything. You just need to go to browser. I can close this out because I don't need it anymore. And to access the exam, you just need to go to localhost here, enter, and now it shows me welcome to exam, and everything is here. So we are in dashboard here, but I need to go to the Moodle platform. So to go to Moodle, in the link you just type localhost/Moodle and enter. Now this is the installation setup for Moodle, and you just need to choose your language. Something good for Moodle is that it has a lot of languages. Almost all languages are supported on Moodle. So click next. Here are all the locations where it's going to be downloaded. We can click next, and here it asks you for the database driver. We need to choose MySQL because exam comes with MySQL. Click next. Now we need to create the database. So to create the database, you need to type a name. I'm typing just Moodle here, like that. And here you need to type your user. So if you don't change, the default user for exam is root. But if you change it, you can put your own username. But here I'm putting root because I didn't change it. And the database password is empty as a default. But if you same as a user, if you change their password, you can paste it here. So now I can click next, and here it shows an error. So it is not able to write and create a config.php file. So to create this, we need to create this manually. So to create this file, first we copy all this code here, copy the entire code, and go to the folder of Moodle here in the htdocs and create a new file here. I'm going to open terminal, and touch config.php. So I'm creating a new file called config.php. Now I need to edit it, but I'm choosing a nano editor to paste the code. So config.php. Now I can paste the code I copied before, and X, Y. Let me show how you can save this. To save the file, you just need to hold the control and press X. After that, you just need to press Y and enter. So now the file is created and it should be somewhere here. So here it is the config.php. Now go back to the browser and click next. Okay, now the Moodle is going to show this page here. So we have some problems here, some errors, and we need to solve all these errors, and after that we can continue on. So the first problem here is with database must be installed and enabled in the config.php file from we need to change the MySQL to MariaDB. So I can copy this thing here and go to the config.php, open with text editor, and I can change that to MariaDB and save. Go back and click reload here, and now as you can see the continue button is going to pop up. So click next, click continue, sorry, and upgrade Moodle database now. Okay, now my platform is set up and everything is here. If you missed, I think you missed some steps, because after clicking continue, it showed me the installation process, and after that asks me for the name of the platform, for user, and some other stuff. But I'm sorry, because I didn't catch that, I didn't record that for some reason, and now I created the platform. But in these steps you just need to put the admin username and password, to choose your email and your name for the platform and all this stuff. So now after creating your password and username, you can type them there. I think I typed the wrong password. Okay, now I'm logged in, and if I go to dashboard, here is all I need. So we don't have any course, we don't have anything. We have the calendar here, online users, only admin. We can put the files here, site home. We can add new course because we have administration permission, where you can create anything you want: course images, quizzes, appearance, groups, role, and format, topic, social format, weekly format, anything you want. You can build the bunch of different courses, lessons for the students, and you can check them, and you can register users also here in the site administration, in the users. You can give permissions, create new user, and do anything you want. Also, you can customize the entire platform, but I'm going to show this in another video, because this is going to be a little more long. But Okay guys, this is how to install and to set up the Moodle platform. Believe me, Moodle is very powerful and has a lot of features. Also, you can create a mobile version of it very easy without coding and without doing anything special. Maybe I'll show this in another video, but for now I just showed you how to set up the Moodle platform in your local host using exam server. And I hope you like this video, and if you have any question, jump into the Discord server and ask your question there, or drop your comment in the comments below. All the links are in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and because I'm almost 1k subscribers, and I really appreciate if you subscribe. So I wish you all the best and see you in the next video.